Soft hands of time just linger there. The moon hums low, it doesn't care. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. A shadow bends, a sigh takes flight. The stars exhale their borrowed light. The stillness lets around the night. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. Drift in the glow, drift in the glow, where nothing to hold is all we know. Breathe it in, let it show. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. A whisper in the quiet sky, soft as the breeze that passes by. The world turns slow, no need to race. Hope lingers here in every space. And the light begins to grow. Feel it warm, feel it show. Rising light, rising high, touch endless ways, and the light begins to grow. Feel it warm, feel it show. Rising light, rising high, touch the clouds, kiss the sky. Step by step, we'll find our way. Fresh horizons every day. Rising light, rising high, touch the clouds, kiss the sky. Step by step, we'll find our way. Fresh horizons every day. The sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past, it hums a song so sweet. I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. a whisper falls, a silent note, breathing in the quiet splendor. Drift and fall, drift and rise. Close your waiting eyes. No end, no start, just endless waves of nothing brush the shore. Endless space and nothing more. A dream that lingers soft and slow. Time dissolves, no need to chase. Fading lines, a boundless space. Drift and drift, no time, no place. Drift and fall, drift and rise. Close your waiting eyes. No end, no start, just endless soft wind carries a feather's flight where the sky meets the quiet light. The song of bird drifts through the air. No rush, no wave, just floating there. Whisper wings on a breeze tonight, soft and still, like a fading whispered wings on the breeze tonight. The trees hum low, a gentle sound, roots so deep they kiss the ground. Clouds move slow, they stretch and sway. The horizon blurs, it blurs tonight. No ticking clocks, no time to chase, just endless sky and open space. The pad hums low, velvet tone. You're never lost, you're never alone. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight, soft and still like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered winds on the breeze tonight. I walked a road that had no name. Each step was quiet, but not the same. The sky above it whispered blue, a quiet promise, a morning new. And the wind, it carried my fears away. A whisper soft, it said, you'll be okay. New horizons, they're calling me. Wide and open, as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. their song was mine. The ground beneath it hummed so low, a gentle rhythm, a steady glow. New horizons, they're calling me, wide and open as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. Every shadow fades at dawn. Every ending brings a song. The sun will rise, it always does. A quiet truth, a boundless trust. I found a letter under the floor, ink faded whispers of what we swore. Your words still hum like an old song, short and sweet, but never wrong. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can rewind. A photograph curled at the edge, dusty corners, a memory's pledge. Your laughter hides in the creases there, fragile moments floating in the air. But they're not gone at all. They linger softly when shadows fall. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can rewind. And if I could, I'd reach through the years, catch your smile, wipe away your tears. But time's a thief with a velvet glove, it steals the pain, but leaves the love. The sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past day hums a song so sweet. I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. Do they live in the cracks of time, or dance in the chords of an old rhyme? I reach, but they slip right through, familiar as rain, fleeting as dew. I hear the silence call my name, a fleeting shadow in the flame. Soft whispers brush against my skin. The sky is heavy with the night. A million stars, but none alight. I breathe it in, I let it spin. Whispers in the wind, they find me carrying dreams A single tear, it bends the light. The moon is patient in its flight. The earth is still, the moment stays. I touch the edge of what is real, a fragile thread, a heart to heal. Time dissolves, it slips away. The wind, it hums a broken tune. It dances soft beneath the moon. A lullaby, a fleeting feathers drift in the air so slow. A soft wind speaks where the whispers go. Leaves bow down as the shadows grow. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless sea. Out in the endless blue, the clouds dissolve as the sunlight breaks through. A quiet sigh, the earth relieves. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless sea. No footsteps here, no trace.